Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake cream. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 2 8-ounce blocks of full-fat cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Having these at room temperature is crucial for achieving that perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency we all love. This simple foundation sets the stage for a truly delicious dessert. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, beat your softened cream cheese on medium speed for about 2 minutes until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. This aeration is key to a smooth texture. Next, slowly add the granulated sugar, continuing to beat for another 3 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and the sugar has dissolved. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of your bowl, often to ensure everything is perfectly combined. The next step is to carefully incorporate the eggs and vanilla. Add your 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing on low speed just until each egg is fully combined. It's important not to overmix at this stage, as too much air can cause your cheesecake to crack during baking. Finally, gently stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This adds a beautiful depth of flavor and that classic cheesecake aroma we all adore. With your cheesecake cream perfectly mixed, it's time for the final touches before baking. Carefully pour the smooth, rich mixture into your prepared crust or springform pan. Gently tap the pan on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, which helps prevent cracks. For the best results, bake your cheesecake in a water bath. This ensures even cooking and a wonderfully creamy, custardy texture throughout. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.